Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing an adjustment on a kitchen cabinet door because this kitchen cabinet door is not staying shut. This one is. That's not. So I'm going to show you what's wrong and I'm going to show you how to fix it so it'll stay shut. So let's get started. Alright, so I can put my finger inside between the door and right there like that. So I'm going to open up the door. Alright, so right here, okay, you got the hinge. Okay, this is some kind of a different setup, I guess, back in 1961, I guess. I don't know if they sell these type of hinges anymore. But this is it's a hinge right here. It has a U shape right there. And this plastic wheel, and this it looks like one of those bike guards on a bicycle. So this U-shaped plastic piece actually sits right where U-shape is. All right. Now this bar right here is slightly bent. This bar right here is not bent, and this bar right here is not bent either. And this tab, metal thing here, is not bent down. This one is not bent down, okay? This one is slightly bent downwards, okay? And that bar is slightly bent. So, let me show you how to fix it. All right, now in order to fix this bar, so that way this bar is straight, just like the other two hinges are, all right? You can I have a pair of needle nose locking pliers. So how I do this, how you do it is, and you gotta be very careful with this. All right, you basically put it just like this, and all you want to do, okay, the door is gonna swing all the way open. It's gonna stay like that. All you want to do is basically tweak the wire, bend the wire a little bit, not too much. Okay, now that wire is a lot better than what it was. Now this wire right here is straight with this wheel on it. Now straight. That's what you want. All right. So now what you have to do is take the needle nose vice grips. I guess they're called vice grips. I've always called them channel locks, but vice grips. So what you want to do, you want to put that right like this, right like that. Try to get, not, you have to be perfect, but try to do a little bit of it. All right. Now all I want to do is raise it up a little bit, but I don't want to raise it up too far because then that guide wheel is actually going to go under the metal piece here, and that's not what you want. You want to raise it up just enough. You take it off, all right, and you look at it. No, you go just a little bit more, not by much. And it is tricky. Like that. No, a little bit more. Sometimes you have to do more than twice. Just like that. Okay. Alright, now this metal tab is a little bit straighter. Now, here's the test to see if this door is going to close. Close the door. And voila. It fixed the door. Now, open it. See? Closes. That's what you want. Alright, so if anybody buys a 1961 house or any type of house that's fairly old, that has those type of kitchen cabinet hinges, that's what you can do. It doesn't take a whole lot to fix it. Alright? Like I said, these right here work pretty good, as you saw. They work really well. And that bar, you just turn that bar just enough, okay, to where the bar that you just did matches all the other two, so they're straight as you can get it without overdoing it. And the metal tab, just bring the metal tab up to make sure the metal tab is straight, just like the other two are. Shut your kitchen cabinet door, and you should be good to go. Alright folks, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helps. If it does, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.